connected to San Diego's local news leader. This is 10 News Live at 5.
More people are wearing braces to try to get that perfect smile. Now, new technology can reduce the time you wear wires as much as 40%.
I was having bite problems. I was grinding my teeth at night.
The Sure Smile system worked for Joe Cohen. Coming up at 5:30, we'll show you how the system works faster and with less pain than traditional braces. Braces are not just for kids anymore. More adults are wearing them to achieve a perfect smile. Well, now new technology can reduce the time you wear wires by as much as 40%.
To work better, I was having bite problems. I was grinding my teeth at night.
Joe Cohen finally bit the bullet and got braces to correct his problem, but he won't have to wear them for years and years.
And the possibility of moving ahead the treatment really got me excited.
Joe's visits to orthodontist Gary Hirsch have been cut in half because of a new computerized system that speeds along treatment.
For less time, less pain, less visits, I mean, it's really a much better system.
The Sure Smile system uses 3D diagnostic imaging to create a treatment plan to straighten the teeth.
After the braces are placed, this handheld digital scanner is used to take pictures of the teeth. Those pictures are then sent to the Sure Smile database in Texas.
Robots bend special heat-activated wires precisely, eliminating the need for the orthodontist to make repeated adjustments. That means the teeth move into place faster. Joe can tighten his braces just by drinking something warm.
In fact, after my cup of coffee in the morning, I take a cup of hot water, swish it around in the mouth, and rinse out, and same thing in the evening.
We could actually finish the whole case in 7 or 8 weeks in some cases.
Joe says his new smile is already in sight.
In the last 2 months, really, there's been measurable progress toward the end result.
Now, just to clarify, Sure Smile wires don't actually move the teeth any more quickly than the same wires used in conventional orthodontics. However, thanks to 3D tools, they can move your teeth along a shorter path to the target position, and that's what makes the overall treatment time shorter. If you'd like more information on Sure Smile, log on to our website, 10news.com, and click on Staying Healthy.